What if I told you the single most effective habit for your long-term health isn't a supplement, isn't a gym membership, and doesn't cost $1? It's walking. Just 30 minutes a day. And the research behind it is honestly more impressive than most people realize. In this video, we're breaking down exactly what happens in your body when you walk daily, and why this simple habit might be doing more for your health than intense workouts you're not sticking with. Let's start with the obvious one: your heart. Walking 30 minutes a day has been shown in large studies to significantly lower your risk of heart disease. It improves circulation, helps regulate blood pressure, and increases your good cholesterol, all without putting the kind of stress on your joints that running or high-intensity training can. This is a huge reason walking is one of the most recommended forms of exercise by cardiologists, especially for people just starting to build a fitness routine. Next, let's talk about blood sugar. This one surprises people. Just a 30-minute walk, especially after a meal, can significantly lower your blood sugar spike. Your muscles use glucose for energy while you walk, which means less sugar sitting in your bloodstream. Some studies show that a short walk after eating can be almost as effective at managing blood sugar as certain medications, which is a big deal for anyone concerned about insulin resistance or type 2 diabetes. Now, let's get into your brain, because this is where walking gets really interesting. Walking increases blood flow to the brain, and it's been linked to improved memory, better focus, and even a reduced risk of cognitive decline as you age. There's research showing that people who walk regularly have a measurably lower risk of developing dementia later in life. And on a day-to-day level, a walk can noticeably clear mental fog and improve your mood, largely because walking boosts endorphins and reduces cortisol, your primary stress hormone. Speaking of stress, walking is one of the most effective, accessible tools for managing anxiety and low mood. You don't need a controlled environment or special equipment. Just stepping outside for 30 minutes has been shown to lower stress hormone levels and improve overall emotional regulation. A lot of people underestimate this because it feels too simple to actually work, but the data is consistent. Movement, especially outdoors, is one of the most effective natural interventions we have for mental health. Now here's one people don't expect: your lifespan. Multiple large-scale studies have found that people who walk regularly, even at a moderate pace, have a significantly lower risk of early death compared to sedentary individuals. And you don't need to hit 10,000 steps or run marathons to see this benefit. Just consistent, moderate walking, roughly 30 minutes a day, is enough to meaningfully shift your long-term health outcomes. This is one of the reasons walking shows up again and again in longevity research, especially in populations known for living the longest. So, why does something this simple work so well? Part of it is consistency. Walking is low impact. It's sustainable, and it doesn't require the recovery time or motivation that intense workouts do. That means people actually stick with it, and consistency is what drives real, long-term health benefits. It's not about the most intense workout you can do once. It's about the moderate habit you can do every single day for years. If you're looking to start, here's the simplest approach. Pick a time you can realistically repeat every day, whether that's a morning walk before work, a walk after lunch, or a walk in the evening to decompress. You don't need special gear or a treadmill, just consistent movement. Ideally outdoors if you can, for 30 minutes. The takeaway here is simple. Walking isn't just a light form of exercise. It's genuinely one of the most well-supported habits for your heart, your brain, your blood sugar, your mood, and your long-term lifespan. And unlike a lot of health advice, this one requires zero equipment, zero cost, and can start today. If this video helped you see walking differently, hit subscribe for more evidence-based health content, and let me know in the comments. Do you already walk daily, or is this the push you needed to start? See you in the next one.